family, welcome back. Happy Friday. Let's make another hair growth oil. Our first ingredient is this amazing plant, and that's our aloe vera plant. I feel like I use aloe vera a lot and that's because it is great. It has great benefits for your hair and your skin. Also, you can ingest the aloe vera gel that is sold at your local grocery store or your supermarket. Just make sure that it's organic and it contains 99% of the aloe vera gel. It has great health benefits. So now I'm just cutting up my aloe vera into thin slices, and then we're going to move on to our next ingredient.
Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me.
Here's our next ingredient, and that's my rosemary. I am going to be using about 4 stems of the rosemary. I'm going to try to cut it into half, and then I'm going to add that to the aloe vera.
Must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight.
Alright family, so let's move on to our next ingredient, and that is my cloves. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the cloves.
It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, got me.
Alright, so I have my aloe vera, my rosemary, and my cloves in the pot. Now let's move on to adding in our oils. And the first oil here is my olive oil. I am going to be using half cup of the olive oil. Olive oil prevents damage, it encourages hair growth, it also promotes stronger hair roots, it nourishes and conditions your hair, it soothes your scalp. So like I said, I'm using half cup of my olive oil. And then we're going to move on to our next oil, and that is my grapeseed oil.
We tried too many. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me back.
Here is the grapeseed oil, and I'm going to be using half cup of it. So what does grapeseed oil do to your hair? It smooths split ends, it strengthens your hair strands, it helps prevent premature graying of your hair, it won't weigh your hair down, it also helps with hair growth, and it reduces hair loss. And our next oil here is my almond oil. I'm also using half cup of the almond oil. Almond oil softens and strengthens your hair. It is rich in biotin. It helps with hair growth, and it hydrates dull and dry hair. So now that I have all my ingredients in the pot, we're going to put this on the stove top for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat.
'Cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes.
If this is your first time here, you just discovered this channel, I want to say welcome. On this channel, we DIY natural hair products. We do home decor, we do home remodeling, vlogging, and so much more. If you are interested in all of the above, then please go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this growing family. And oh my God, to our amazing new family members, I want to say welcome. I see the growth. I see y'all. Hey y'all. Thank you all so much for the support. We are growing on here, and we are so grateful. Thank you all so much again.
Know me, you make me.
It's a little over 50 minutes and our oil is ready, family. So now it's time to strain the oil. After I have strained my oil, I'm going to allow this to cool down before I go ahead and put that into my applicator bottle. Alright family, so all the goodness you see in there, I'm going to save it, y'all. I'm going to save it. I'm not trying to be wasteful. I'm going to save it. I know all of those in there, they are great and they are powerful ingredients. Alright, so I'm not going to throw that away. I have a plan. It's not going to be in this video though. I have a plan. So watch out for the next video. I can use those and make something else. Alright y'all, keep watching.
Let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got you. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. You did prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me down.
Alright family, so our growth oil is ready. I hope you guys can give this a try. With consistent use, you're gonna see changes in your hair, you're gonna see growth, and you're gonna love this oil. Thank you all for watching. That's the end of today's video. If you haven't yet smashed that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. We'd love to have you here. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.